It begins with element 14, silicon. Refined to near-perfect purity, it is the canvas of the modern world and the most valuable rock on Earth. To carve it requires a singular marvel, a machine firing a laser at a tin droplet 50,000 times a second. There are no alternatives. One company holds the monopoly, yet no country builds a chip alone. It is a fragile, interconnected web, with 90% of the world's most advanced silicon passing through just one island. Export controls, trade embargoes. It is a Cold War fought in nanometers, pushing supply chain risks to unprecedented levels. For 55 years, computing power has relentlessly doubled, packing hundreds of billions of transistors into the engines of artificial intelligence. The future belongs to whoever controls the hardware. This is the war for the chip.